What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. Today I am trading live in this video, and we're off to somewhat of a rough start this morning. As you can see, we're down a pretty penny. I came in today and I came in knowing that I was going to be very aggressive today. That was the goal, was because I have work today at 11, so I wanted to be very aggressive at the opening bell and try and really capitalize on that one that started to squeeze. And I saw some really good potential today on AMPC and ZKIN, and I really thought that those ones had the potential to be real squeezers. Obviously I was wrong. So here's AMPC. I didn't take any trades on AMPC. You can see it's pretty much just selling off like super hard. ZKIM was my #1 focus. They had something to do with blockchain, and man, was this one very whippy at the start and took me out pretty hard. As you can see on the open here, right here it kind of dipped down. I saw this big green candle, and then VWAP, it was reclaiming, and I knew that if we could break 310 area, there was room all the way up to like $6 on the daily. So I got long here. It comes up for a second and then has this big flush. Let's see if I can't zoom in more. So I'm long right there. I was long the first trade, 25 shares here, and big flush, and I had no choice but to stop out here when it broke below that opening range candle. Broke below, stopped out. It recovered a bit. Oh no, actually stopped out down here. It kind of sold off, and then we had this huge bounce back. So I thought, it was going to be a red to green move back over VWAP. So it was basically my original trade idea, just looking for that momentum through 310. But then when I got long again a little bit, I tried to wait for confirmation, over this candlestick high. Got long again there, 50 shares this time. So I was like, okay, this is it. Here's the volume. This is a huge move from $2.45 all the way up to like $3, which is pretty crazy. And then boom, just immediately all the way back down. So after this, I was like, what, screw this. This one's obviously super choppy, and I probably shouldn't trust this one very much with any big size. Also, look at that rejection candle volume. That's also the high of day volume, and right up to that pre-market high. This is just an overall pretty terrible setup here, or pretty terrible outcome. Yeah, stopped out here for a $17, $18 loss there with my 50 shares. Like I said, I was sizing up today, so this is okay. It's within my risk parameter. I didn't, bag hold this thing. I kept stopping out when I knew I was wrong. And now it's just kind of selling off. So we'll see what it wants to do today, but I don't really have any big expectations for this anymore. Yeah, today just did not really work out for me trying to go really hard at the open at all. Also on MTC, this is another one that looked really good, fit my flow parameter and everything. Just no luck on this one either. We kind of opened here, had a nice open. Let me see if I can't zoom in more. Yeah, nice open, pull back. I thought it might be done, but it recovered. I got long here, MTC 30 shares, expecting this thing to make a move over 270. Had tons of room on the daily. Instead, it makes pretty much a double top here. There, pretty much a double top. Bounces off VWAP once. My stop was right below these lows right here. And boom, got stopped out pretty recently. Volume does not look good for any sort of long position. So yeah, you just got to stop out when you know you're wrong, and that was another $12 loss there. So far we have been not doing good this morning, and this NBAC is the only horse we have left, and I don't even think it's looking that good. So this is kind of my little watch list. That's AMPC, the one I didn't trade, ZKIN, the one I traded twice, MTC, the one I just went over. There's also Tour, which I don't really know a whole lot about NBAC or Tour. There's NIO and Tesla, just keeping an eye on the EV sector. Yeah, guys, like, I don't know, I kind of feel like I'm punting it this morning. I'm sized pretty fucking heavy in this NBAC. Like, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna be at a huge loss today, and I guess that's just something I'll have to accept. It kind of looks like it's made a range here, broke out, and on top, consolidating on top of the range, we got a nice volume. So this one definitely has a chance to move, but man, it's just not good momentum today by any means. By any means. Where's my stop loss? It's 1604. So I'm trying to do my 3-to-1 here, but like, goddamn, bro, like these things just don't have any follow through today. So this is the trade. It looks alright still. I just don't understand how none of these have any follow through today. I guess that's just the kind of day it is today. Like, I think that this is support. It looks pretty decent. Let's draw a retracement. Oh, that's not a retracement. Right now I just kind of feel like I'm wasting money. Like, today just feels really stupid. I don't feel like I'm doing good today at all. Like, there's not even any good Fibonacci levels for this thing. Probably gonna put my like, just not really happy with what's going on right now, honestly. Like, it's so hard. Like, what do? I'm up $4.90. Be up like $3 if I exit this trade right now, and all my losses are just massive compared to that. So it's, I don't really know what to do right now. I guess I just ride this one out. Like, it looks all right compared to the others. The others are clearly downtrending. This one's the only one that's in somewhat of an uptrend. It actually looks all right here. But like, come on, man. Like, let's see some momentum in some of these names. Like, this is pretty brutal. I'm probably gonna move my stop right under here. Honestly, if we break this, it's over. So 1750. I'll go 1748. Gotta start limiting my downside risk more, especially on a play that I don't love. So that's it, guys. We have our stop right below this support level here. It's kind of now or never for this thing. Like, I can't risk that much on a setup that isn't fantastic right now, especially how red I am on the day already. We were originally risking like $30 something with our stop loss down here, so this will be significantly less. But man, like, just a tough morning for longs, man. Like, am I doing this wrong or what? Like, I honestly have no idea. I feel like we should have more momentum if we're gonna push. It's pretty much now or never. Hovering right at this support level. Right at the 3-minute 9 EMA. This is it, guys, now or never for frickin' NBAC. If this thing manages to really push here, we could see it just move all day, which would be really awesome. Man, maybe I should just start trading frickin' US Steel options. The wolf in chat just seems to be banking on those every day. Like, goddamn. I'm gonna move this down a little bit. It looks all right. That's the thing, is I like don't know what to do right now. Maybe I'll move it down to like 1720. We'll give it a chance. We'll give this thing a real fucking chance today. Like, Come on, bruh. Come on. Nah, we gotta keep this shit up here at like 1758. If we fail to break out like right now, this thing's done. Right? Like if this range fails, it's over. This range right here. It's now or never. We need volume. Come on, man. If one thing could squeeze really nice today, that would just be awesome. This looks pretty decent. We need volume and we need a breakout through 850 right now. I'll sell half at, actually I'll sell a third of it up here at just under $19 if we get there. 1890. I'll sell sell some. If we can push through to 1890 right now. Come on, push. Oh man, come on. Oh man, it's false breaking, guys. This is brutal. Look at the volume. It's nice too, man. And right now, what I'm trying to do is let my winners run. This is the thing I never do. I always sell when it does like a little move like that. And that's what has caused me to have this issue where I never have like a home run trade. Because I always sell too early. So I'm really trying here, really giving this thing a chance. We will see, I guess, if it ends up working or not. Like, man, this thing needs to go like right now. Okay, well, let's just take away our stop. We can mentally see that if it breaks this level, we're out. But I don't want to get wicked out of this position either. Like it looks good. It looks good. Oh, guys, I'm having some conflictions here. It looks good, but if it looks so good, why is it not? Why is it doing all these false breakouts? Like we aren't up enough to be able to trim it off yet. That's the bottom line. Our average is 1767. Like are we size too small? Or what? Because I know that if I trim right now, it's gonna be like a $10 winner. Like man, this thing has to move up more for us to be able to trim some profits. That's basically what's going on right now. It's like it's just not moving up. So annoying, dude. Alright, well, fuck, man. Like, man, fuck off.
Okay, guys, I am adjusting my stop.
I don't want to end this thing anymore. Stop loss there at 1760. Like, Okay, AMPC is moving up now.
I'm not a greedy pig. Alright? And
Guys, that is so annoying. That is really infuriating, honestly. I don't even know what to say right now. I feel like I am just taking hits today, man. Like, what is going on today? Oh, that's so annoying. That is so annoying.
there is going to be a caveat. I don't hold on to
Man.
strictly. If this thing starts really running,
Well, we closed at a break even at least, guys. Like, we did. I don't know. Did I do the right thing there? I was up $14, but that was not my profit target. I was up barely anything compared to what I was risking. I was risking 30 originally, and so I just stopped out there at pretty much break even. I think that that's all right, I guess. The trade didn't work.
7:35.
Yikes, yikes, yikes. Today is not going where I wanted it to go.
What are you saying? How long we swing in Amazon?
So basically what we got to do now is
I'm swinging it until I
look for this thing to really start to squeeze out these shorts. And like NBAC, like what the hell even was that? Why was I in a trade where I didn't even know, like, it hadn't, it's just a brand new company. It has no news. It's just you know, like that IPO hype. Well, whatever. Forget about it. It's like it never happened because I just stopped out break even, so whatever. $9 is huge resistance on the daily for this thing.
Yeah, as an atall graphic. First take profit on Amazon was 30 money.
Well, guys, I'll link this video with another one if I take another trade. Adios.